Hey guys, it's Izzy from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more. On today's Tuesday's Tips, we're going to be showing you how to change the air filter in your F53 chassis. You're not going to want to miss it. So let's get right to it. This is an easy DIY job. You're going to need two things: a flathead screwdriver and then the appropriate air filter for what we have, the 2019 F53 chassis. It's going to be, for Purolator at least, the A45569. You could also get this, the Motorcraft from Ford, but this is what our local auto body shop had, auto parts store, so that's what I got. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to loosen up the screw for the collar that holds the actual box to the intake. So you just want to loosen that up. It takes 10 seconds, and that's the first thing. The second thing you're going to want to do, unclip the 3 clips that hold the box in. You are then going to, the top of the box, you're going to push it straight up till you hear like a snap. There's some clips in the back that hold it. Once that happens, you're then going to see the air filter that's going to be directly in your view. You're going to take the air filter, just pull it up and bring it out. As you can see, the old air filter, we have about 7,400 miles on the motorhome, and you usually change it around 15,000 miles. I'm going to change it once a season. You could see it's pretty dirty for half the mileage of what you're supposed to change it compared to the newer one. So these things cost 15 bucks, guys. Do yourself a favor, just change it out. It's going to help prolong your engine and also give you some better gas mileage. So once you get that old filter out, what you're going to want to do is get the new filter, lift up that cap, and then you're just going to slide that new filter in. Make sure it's seated nicely, that the gasket's right on top of the bottom of that box. You're then going to put the top of the box, make sure that the clips are lined up in the back, close the box, put the 3 clips up front, secure them, and then finally you're going to want to secure that collar that's by the intake. Just turn it right till you have hand tight, and you're done. So guys, this is a 10-minute DIY that may save you a bunch of money in repairs. So don't be afraid of it. It's very easy to do. If you enjoyed the video, we're going to ask you to subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're already subscribed, we thank you for watching. And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.